After nearly 50 years of working with student athletes in Northwest Ohio, a local track coach is honored for his service to the community. The surprise recognition taking place yesterday during the Bowling Green High School Bobcat Invitational, a meet that will now carry his name. Amy Montgomery from our media partner 13 ABC Action News has that story.
In lane 7, Parker from Wasion.
This is exactly where you'd expect to find Duff Medeiros during track and field season.
33, 8.5.
Clipboard in hand, working with students in the middle of the action.
He's a great man. The most selfless man I've ever met.
Safety's up, Morgan on deck.
He's no stranger to the Bowling Green High School track. It's where he spent 31 of his 47 years as a coach. And Friday night, during the Bobcat Invitational, his contributions to the team were recognized.
I knew something wasn't quite right, because when the athletic director showed up and said, "You have to come with me," and I'm like, oh no, here we go.
Standing on the 50-yard line, Medeiros was joined by district leaders, his family, and current and former student athletes for a surprise announcement. The Invitational was getting a new name, his.
Congratulations, Coach Medeiros.
This will now forever be known as the Duff Medeiros Bobcat Invitational.
We built a nice program here through the years, and very proud of Bobcat track and Bobcat passion. And I think it was on display today right here with all these athletes and coaches. And so yeah, I'm kind of overwhelmed actually.
It's an honor many say is well deserved.
He encouraged me every single meet to do well for myself and for him too. I mean, I wanted to compete well for him.
He was the most optimistic person when he wanted to be so pessimistic, and it was just like always this keep going attitude that he had that really stuck out to me.
Newly retired, the coach isn't sure what he'll do next, but says he's eternally grateful for every single memory on and off the track.
47 years is a long time, and I wouldn't trade it for $1 million.